My name is Dr. Emmanuel Padilla. I'm 62 years old, married with 3 kids, and I am a surgeon by profession. I started experiencing bloating, and then may pain ako sa abdomen, and then usually after eating, and then nag-progress yun. I experienced edema. First both feet lang, and then nag-progress siya hanggang the whole body na. And then I was having na shortness of breath. I was having difficulty sleeping. And then I was even having difficulty in talking. Hindi ako makapag-converse kasi hihingalin ako. So right there and then I sought consult. And then I was diagnosed as having congestive heart failure. I was told na unang-una mas malaki ang experience nila Dr. Timothy D in doing the TAVR procedure. And nung in-admit ako, true enough, nakita ko how this team works. Nakita ko kung paano sila gumalaw, how they prepared me, how they enlightened me as to anong i-expect ko, anong gagawin nila, anong plano nila. So everything was very smooth, everything was talagang makikita mo na well-planned, methodical sila, and then they know what they're doing and they know what they're talking about. So nabigyan ako ng confidence na tama, dito nga ako magpapa-opera. Now I'm in my almost 1 month post-op. Tanong niyo sa akin, anong pakiramdam ko? Na ako ngayon, nakaka-exercise. I'm driving. I can hold my 2 apo, which I cannot do nung bago ko operahan. I can sleep well at night. Haba na ng tulog ko ngayon. Dati hindi ako talaga makatulog. Wala na akong shortness of breath. No, I can do all things on my own. Hindi ko na kailangan assistance from my wife. Siya yung parati nag-assist sa akin. Ngayon, nagagawa ko ng on my own. Nakakalakad ako. Minsan, tumatakbo pa nga ako eh. So, it's really a big change. Sa pakiramdam, sa aking buhay, malaking bago.